that is our dance of the day. We have 8 counts per usual to a little Pink Venom. So we're gonna start with our feet together. Remember, I'm going to be mirroring you. So go right when I say right, go left when I say left. So you're gonna start jumping those feet wide on 1, you switch to the other side, 2, you're gonna hit it up on 3, you hit the table 4. You give 2 little rolls, nice and sassy through the rib cage. Your right foot is gonna chug you, roll, roll. And I think those counts are wrong, so these are what they actually are. It's hit, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm better with lyrics. So she says, this, that, pink venom, this, that, pink venom. Yes, from there you're gonna slap up those thighs. 1, 2, you're gonna push towards me with your left hand going back on 3, 4. This right foot is gonna pick up as you jump, jump, toss, lock. Yes. So again, you just did your rolls. Ga, ga. You come up for 2. You push them away, talk to the hand, jump, jump, toss, lock. Let's try that from the top. We jump it out. Go this, that, hit, hit, roll, roll. Breathe it up those legs. Push it to the front. Ga, ga, toss, hips. Do that one more time for good luck. You jump. Right, left, up, down, roll, roll. Breathe it 2, push it 2, jump, jump, click, click. Your right heel is gonna dig into the earth, 1 and. So your chest is kind of contracted as you pull those hips down. You push it up, 1 and 2 and. You go fan, get lower, fan, get lowest, fan. And your focus looks on that last one. Okay, so you just went with your jumps, jump, jump, ga, ga, click, and fan, fan, fan. Try that from your roll and your roll. Pick it up, 2 counts. Push them away. Now you jump, back, back, toss, open up, go hit, and cha, cha, cha. And that's about your tempo right there. Let's try that all together from the top. Here we go. This, that, pink venom. This, that, pink venom. Get them, push them, la, 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 and ha, ha, ga, ga, ga. Yes. This hand is up. Your left hand is fanning you. You're gonna slide, push. You're gonna tuck your right foot behind. Those arms thread over your head. That's 1, 2, and you look to your right armpit. And you're gonna unwind those feet as you jump to the back. Reach, your hands drop down. You look ha, over your shoulder and you're surprised. Yes, so we just did our opens. We click it out, in, fan yourself. Push 1 and 2 and you jump 3 and what? Over your left shoulder as you look. Yes, let's take it back from the top. 6, 7, we go. This, that, pink venom. This, that, pink venom. Get it, jump, jump, toss, and click, click, go. Hey, hey, hey. Push, tuck, look, jump, and ha. Yes, so you're timing for that slide. You're here. Ha, ha, ha. It's a push, a tuck, look, jump, drop, ha. Yes, from there, step out on your left foot. Press, push. You're gonna slide through 3 and 4. You go up, you're coming with your head, and you close it. So your hand's going open, close. Your body's going up, side. So now I'm looking to my right, I'm bending into my left knee. Jump, up, drop. Do that again. Jump, up, drop. Yes. So we just did our fans. Fan yourself. Then you push, then you tuck, look, reach, drop, what? Ga, gotta, ga, da, da, up, drop. Yes, the counts on this one are not in my brain, but I got the words. So let's try it from the top. 6, 7, we jump. Going this, that, pink venom. This, that, pink venom. Push it away, run, back, back, up, down. Click it, ga, ga, ga. Push, tuck it back, look, up, down. What? Ha, ha, pull. Right, jump, la, la. La, la. Venom, and this left hand at your face is gonna push you away. Push, and you're lunging into your right leg. You're gonna push it back into your left foot. Those arms are coming from the bottom. Boom. You're gonna do 3 runs, right, left, right. Ooh, shaking the world. So we just did our venom. You're gonna throw it front, then back, run over your head. And as I'm doing that, these arms, they're coming from the left and around to point. So that's your arms. They're going push, push, right, left, point. Now all of your weight should be in that right foot. You're gonna tap your left heel. Those arms are gonna go open, open, close. Other side, open, close. And that brings you front. So when it's fast, it's out, in, out, in. From there, you're gonna jump out, hit, stack. One arm on top of the other. Yes, we're close. So let's rewind just a little bit. Let's go from those fans. Fan yourself. Push it, 1. Cut it back. Look, up, down. What? A push, push, pull. Right, left, up, down. Throw it, run, run, heel. Out, in, jump. How was that? Pretty good? Let's rewind from the top, nice and slow, and then we'll give you the ending. So our feet are together, we jump it out big. We click right, left, up, down, roll, and stir it up. Booty, press it, hop, hop, up, hips, out, out. Fan yourself, then you push and you tuck, look, up, down, what? A press, push, pull, a right, jump, up, down, throw it, toss it, run, run, heel, out, and jump it, big, scoop, click, click. From here, your last little bit. Okay, so we just stacked it up. You're gonna tap your right heel, tap, switch, tap, switch. You come forward, mouth, you sit back, clasp, swipe the booty, and let it go. So again, one more time, you just scooped it all up. We tap right and left and ha, ha, ha. 1, let it go. And that is our dance. So let's rewind it, take it back all the way from the top, nice and slow, and then you'll be able to try it with some music. So starting with those feet together, we jump it out on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, a 5 and a 6 and a run, run, 8 and 1, a 2, a fan yourself. Push them away, tuck it, look, up, down. What? We push and we pull, we run, jump, up, down, throw it, toss it, run, run, heels go, out, and jump it big, scoop it up, right, left, boom, ga, ga. 1, 2. That's our dance. Okay, so if you need this all again, feel free to rewind, try it all again with counts, and then we can try it together with some music, have some fun with it, make it your own. And again, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you next time.